Hey everybody, it's Alexa here. We are starting off with a fresh face, and this is actually my second attempt to do this. As you can see, the blue in my hairline and the glitter all over my chest. So we are just putting our base down. Usually I like to start off with the eyes first, but for this look it definitely requires some base work, and I drug that a little bit down to my neck as well, because we'll be working on that today as well. We are powdering all over. If you guys hear anything going on in the background, it is almost the 4th of July. So as you guys can imagine, there's lots of fireworks going around everywhere. So I'm putting some blue gradient, how do you say that? Gradient? Blending. Let's just say blending that down into kind of like an ombre look. I hollowed out my cheeks a little bit, and I'm just putting on a silver white highlighter. I'm putting some black on my lid and blending this out. It's going to go around our eye socket basically. And then we are going to put a little bit of some white in our brow bone in our inner corner just to make our eyes kind of pop. I really didn't have a plan for when I wanted to do this look, and of course I had to do it over. So yeah, we basically had to follow our own tutorial, which I've been doing a lot of lately, which is fun, but not fun if you just thought that your computer was not going to suck up the footage and leave you high and dry. But I digress. We are just blending this blue down into about the middle of our neck, and then we are going to use, you can use whatever you want. I'm using some old crusty blood, but it was patchy, so I just filled in the holes with some, you can use liquid latex if you'd like to, but I chose to use some eyelash adhesive because it was like the only thing in my arsenal that wasn't old. I have to update my stuff, it's fine. So we're going to let that dry and set a little bit. We're moving on to our stars. We're just kind of placing these haphazardly around our face. These were already the stars that I had glued on my face, so I just kind of put them wherever. I did put two right next to my eye, and they were both gold. I used gold and silver stars, but mostly the silver, I think. Putting on some false lashes. You can line your eyes if you want to. This is what it's looking like so far. Now we are putting some glitter right where we put that scar wax. I'm just going to call it scar wax. I know it's not scar wax, but it's crusty blood, but anyway, it's a build-up of latex. I'm putting some white on our lips. I'm going to just make them look as full as I can. And we're going to go over that a billion times just to make the white really stand out. I'm taking a white liquid liner, and I'm putting this around all of the stars. It looked really nice when I did it because I took my time last time. But I just really wanted to get this done and over with. I filmed this portion in about 30 minutes, and it took me like an hour or two to film everything and make it look really, really nice. So as you guys can imagine, I was a little frustrated. I was pretty frustrated, actually. I was throwing kind of a fit. But we survived. It's fine. We just did it over again. We just put some blood coming out of our eyes, popped our white contacts in, and we went over our lips again and again and again and again. I think I went over my lips about like 7 times probably. I used 2 packets of some edible, like safe blood, but that's basically just the only blood I had that when I would hold it at a certain, angle, it would look nice. I'm just kind of finagling with some blood right now. I have like extra ready blood, and I'm just kind of putting that on a Q-tip and dragging that Q-tip all along my chest. And then the glitter on my chest I thought was a nice touch too. And then I use my real hair, which never happens anymore, but my hair is long enough that I can use it. And it was curled. Thank you, Jen, for curling my hair. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have a happy and safe 4th of July. And I love you all, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.